Welcome back to ICT Trading Concept. How are you all? I hope everyone is cool. So before going further, I would love to tell you is I would love to ask you, can you hear me or not? If you can hear me, please let me know that. If you can't hear me, then let me know that as well. Okay. If you were with me in the gold session, I was expecting a market structure shift over here. Then I told it will use that parabolic gap, and this is the sell side liquidity. Then that is the sell side liquidity. So that would be my target. So for it has taken this sell side liquidity, and I believe that market will take this sell side liquidity. All of this sell side liquidity will be taken. Okay. So far I'm bearish for dollar index. Now when I'm bearish for dollar index, I will go uh for the buy setup for uh Nasdaq. Over here, this is Nasdaq chart. On my left, this is hourly chart. The reason I have chosen hourly chart is if you go to 15-minute chart, you will see this whole price action over here. It's not clean. Okay, lot of fair value gap I have over here, lot of fair value gap. It's not clean for me, so I would love to go hourly chart instead of 15-minute chart. Still it is little precise. So yeah, I'm bullish for Nasdaq as well. At the same time, rules number 1999, if you ever see overnight big run, so this is say you see just overnight big run, market start over there, keep going higher, overnight big run. If you ever see this type of overnight big run, avoid morning session. Most of the time it will be seek and destroy mode or the consolidation. So just be careful about the manipulation around the morning session after the big night overrun. If you look over here to the 1 minute chart, look how beautifully market came, market went higher. Okay, it just kept going higher. Look how beautifully it kept going higher, something like that. So if you really would love to uh, take entry, the best situation is to trade around PM session. But as I'm here, I will I'll try to trade something. But as I told, it's highly risky to trade after a big run overnight. Okay, so yeah, that's the beginning of the introduction. We don't have anything to do until 9:30. Around 9:30 we will see if we get something. By the way, any of you know how to see the electronic trading hour and the regular trading hour in top step? If anyone knows that, please let me know that. I'd love to stay over here in this chart. Is there any option so that I can check electronic trading hour and regular trading hour? I don't see any option actually. Yeah, please let me know if any of you know how to see that. Okay, there isn't settings. There is no option in X. Okay, let me check the settings as well. I don't think so they have the option. Yeah, so what I can do, yeah, I will use this one for the opening gap actually. So around 9:30 I will mark the opening gap high, so that I will be able to mark the opening gap by manually. Okay. Mhm. Yeah, I will see it. Okay, right now I'll just remove it, and around 9:30 I will see it. Yeah, so far I don't have anything to do over here. Around 9:30 I will do nothing because we have a news around 9:35, and around 10 we have news, so I'm not interested to do anything before 9 sorry, before 10. I will just see the price. Again, it's extremely risky to trade around this area. The reason is overnight big run. If you ever see this overnight big run, avoid trading at least the morning session. At least the morning session, avoid trading, because uh, manipulation happen most of the time after this type of big run, overnight big run. Okay, most of the time it's a manipulative market. So don't be chopped up by the manipulation of the market maker. Better wait for the market maker when he will be in the market. When he will be in the market, try to attend to the market. Okay, other than, you should not go for the entry or something like that. It is extremely bullish. So can you take frame a sell setup? You should not frame a sell setup. Can you go for the buy? It's called chasing the price. Are you interested to chase the price? You should not. Same time, dollar index is falling. You can see it's going for this sell side liquidity. Maybe all of this sell side liquidity will be taken. So overall, I'm bearish for dollar index. I should have bullish for this guy. So it should keep going higher depending on the dollar index, but I just don't want to be chopped up, so I will wait for better price action and then I will decide should I go for that or not. Okay, and around 9:30 I will start to look for the price, but I will frame the trade after 10. So until 10 I will have nothing to do. This is the all-time high, and if you remember, this is the level I was expecting, 1888.75. Okay, so that was the level I was looking for from my weekly analysis or something like that. Market has given me the, my target has been filled already. So all of my weekly analysis has done over there by the Nvidia yesterday. Market take my target. Okay, so right now I am out of weekly analysis, so whatever I will do, I will take my decision depending on this small price action. Just that's all I have to do. At the same time, I told about the buy side liquidity over there. It's too far from here, and I don't think so that market will go for that. But it's still, you should keep going higher until it proves you wrong. When market is at the all-time high, guys, you can hear me, right? Can hear him as well. Oh, okay, so you can hear me. There isn't settings. Okay, there is nothing in settings, Mohit. Make sure you give me 50 likes before 9:30. Okay, 111 people are watching. I am asking for 50 likes before 9:30. So make sure that you have given me the likes before 9:30. So I have 4 minutes left. Push the like button before that, brother. Okay. Yesterday was awesome for trading. Every single day is not for trading. Keep that in your mind. Every single day is not for trading. Though I was thinking that yesterday will be a disaster day, but it was awesome. Yesterday was awesome, to be honest. Though there was the Nvidia earnings, but still that was awesome for trading. But right now, after watching this huge run, just look at this 1 minute run. It was just going higher, going higher, going higher. Now it is falling. What should you do? Should you enter over there for sell? Should you go for buy? I don't know. I will wait. So I will wait until it gives me something more obvious, then I will try to frame another trade. Okay, on my left, this is Nasdaq hourly chart, not 15 minute, it's hourly chart. Okay, thank you guys for giving me 50 likes. Now I have got 54 likes. I'm happy for that. And before finishing my stream, I will see if I can touch 100 likes or not. But I'm not asking for likes to you guys, it's up to you. I'm just waiting for 9:30. Let's see around 9:30 what is going to happen. But we have it news around 9:35 and around 10, so be careful about that. Don't focus on here. Don't focus, okay, on the 1 minute chart. Don't focus. Instead of that, focus over here on the hourly chart. What is happening over here? Is it falling after seeing this big run? What do you think? It is falling. I will keep that mind. This is a consecutive order block, so I will mark this one as a order block, and I will see if this order block can hold the price, send it back for the buy side liquidity again or not. I'll keep that in my mind. The min threshold of this order block is important for me as well. Okay, so both of them in my view. Why the consecutive order block, not the lowest down close body close candle? Watch my video about the order block. I have already made a video about the order block and when you should look for the consecutive order block and when you should look for the lowest down close body close candle. You will find everything over there by that video. I hope that if anyone has any question, you can ask. Okay, I mean, I was just talking like my way, but if you have any question, you can ask me. 2 minutes left for 9:30 open, and then we will see. Anybody has any question? I don't think so. You have any question? Likes, guys, it's free. Yeah, it's free. Absolutely, it's free. You don't need to pay me anything for giving me a like. Trust me, it's absolutely free. Evil Genius, yes. What's that? Leah and her traits. Hey Leah, welcome back, sister. 18791 RTH. 18791. Okay, so here is my opening gap, a huge opening gap. Let's see how it can fit around the area. We have bearish 15-minute fair value gap. Can you check sales from there? I am not interested to take sell or buy right now. I will just wait to see how it react around until 10. Okay, because of 10 we have a red folder news. I will just wait for that news and we will see how it react. After that I will take my decisions. Right now I'm just thinking about this order block, consecutive order block. I'm extremely waiting for a buy, not for sell. So all of this thing I'm not interested to participate over there. I'm just interested only for buying, not for selling. I guess it's going to break all of this order block and min threshold. I will keep this min threshold, but I will see how it react. Order block I don't need because market came until this min threshold, so I don't need the order block. This is the opening gap, okay? Here to here. This is the opening gap. So I just marked the, instead of the gap, I just marked the level 0%, 25 per quadrant, 50% third quadrant, and the closing of the opening gap. So I will see any of this level can be the reversal point for Nasdaq. Okay, any of this guy can be the reversal point. As I told, I will just wait until 10. I have nothing to do until 10. Okay, I will just watch the price and try to figure out what it wants to do. I'll just try to figure that out. That's all. I'm just not interested to do anything. So for the 25 quadrant, it is holding the price. So this line is 25. Okay. So over here on my left, 25 or the first quadrant was holding the price. This is the min threshold. I don't want to see a body close below this min threshold from hourly chart. A lot of things in my mind. We have been news around 9:35. We will see. might be going for sell side first. It can do that. Just not interested to participate in this price action. So rule number 1999. If you ever see overnight big run, don't force the market to give you an entry just after the opening bell. The best option is to wait whole morning session, and because if you can wait the morning session, you will obviously get a perfect setup around the PM session. Trust me, okay? You will get a perfect setup around the PM session. You must have got it. All you have to do is you have to wait. That's all you have to do. When market is at the all-time high, keep looking for buy until it proves you wrong. This is the rules by ICT himself. So yeah. No, T2, it is rule number 1479. Oh, okay, my mistake then. Okay, 1479. Oh man. Waiting, waiting, and waiting. Yesterday around here, I pushed my button, remember? So every single day is not the same. Every single day, first build your story. First build your story. What story you can build today? After seeing this price action, what is the story you can build from here? I mean, can you go for buy or can you go for sell? Which one is most obvious to you? What is look like most obvious to you? Now, if you ask me, I don't see any buy setup. I mean, buy run. I don't see any sell opportunity. In my opinion, there is no story. Okay, so it's kind of bounce ball. You have to just avoid this ball, and then later the better ball is coming. If any of you actually loves to play cricket, you will understand what is bounce ball. Right now, it is just giving me the bounce and the yorker. So I have to just either I have to let some ball to go and some I have to protect. Okay, so I can't just hit the ball right now. I believe that half volley ball is coming, and when it will come, I will hit the ball, and I believe that I will get a six from that ball. So I don't wanna be out by this type of bad ball. I would love to wait. By the way, if anyone would love to take buy or sell, you can go for that. I am not here to give you a signal, brother, go for buy now, brother, go for sell now. No, I'm not here to give you the signal. Instead of that, I would love to read the price so that you will understand how to read the price and how to wait for a good situation, how to let the bad situation to go. Why this is bad situation to trade? When the good situation will come. That is my only expectation and only intention to come to this live. You can see maybe some other YouTuber, they will show you already some entry over here, but in my opinion this is not a good place to trade. This is the place where you have to wait. First reason, overnight big run. Just look, overnight big run. Second reason, we have a news around 9:35. We had a news around 9:35 and around 10. I guess 9:45, not 35, 45. Okay, and around 10 we have news. Okay, red folder and medium impact news. So you should have wait for that. Then you will jump to the market. Market will tell you what it is going to do. So wait for that indication first. So far you can see here is a fair value gap. It has traded that fair value gap. Can you see it? Yeah, of course I can see it. Market has traded this fair value gap. Maybe it will fall take all of this relatively equal lows, say over here. What do you think? I didn't see it. Absolutely, I have seen it. So this is the relatively equal lows. After trading this fair value gap, maybe market will take this sell side liquidity. What is going to be the here to here 21 handle? Wasn't it bad? Absolutely not. This was absolutely not that 21 handle. Didn't I see that? Absolutely, I have seen that. But I am not interested to participate in this price action. Every time, just think about the rules first. If you are a rules-based trader, trust me, in a longer run, you will be a millionaire by trading. It's possible. But if you just fly with this small price action, very soon you will be wiped out by the market. You will blow your account. You will be broken. Okay, so make sure that you are not just flying with the price action. Instead of that, you are waiting for an story. Build a good story first, then jump into the market. If any of you were with me yesterday PM session, market was falling, right? I told that no, it's not a perfect time to build a story. Let's build a story, then we will jump. Wait for the price action, then we will jump into the market. Later, when there was a buy setup, remember how beautiful the setup was? You have to wait for those type of situation, and you have to let all of this run to go. Okay, just don't follow. I mean, don't fly with the price action. Please don't do that. It's my request for you for longer term. If you wanna be a short term trader, please take the sell over there. I saw this fair value gap. I saw that very nice sell side liquidity. I'm not interested to take my sell over there because I can be absolutely wrong. Market can easily start to go higher. I don't want to take that risk. First build an story, then jump into the market. This is the 50% of the opening gap. Here, this is the 50% of the opening gap. Let's see if this 50% can hold the price or market actually go much more lower until the new day opening gap. Here is my new day opening gap on that area. It can reach until that new day opening gap as well. I am just not interested to participate in this price action. If you want to take trade, if you want to trade, you can do that, brother. I am here to try. I am trying to make some army who wants to stay here for long term, not a short term trader. So some of you can be new to my channel. Don't think that this guy is just selling some signal. No, I'm not selling here some signal. I don't care about the setup. All I care to build an story so that you can be here in this industry for long run. Okay, you should not be a short term trader. If you are still a profitable trader, I mean, maybe the way you are trading, you are a profitable trader. Okay, I mean, you earn some money from here, you are not blowing your account, you are profitable, then you don't need to listen to me. But if you think that you are not a profitable trader, you are blowing your account, sometimes you get profit, most of the time you loss and you get loss and you just blow your account, then follow my lead, man. I'm not here to harm you, trust me. I'm just telling you the thing professional trader do. I'm not a professional trader, but this is the thing the professional trader they do. So that hourly order block didn't work perfectly. Instead of that, market went lower. So I'm not interested to keep that mean threshold on my chart. I will just stay over here. If it was a normal time, I mean normal day, if it was not a long run, overnight mid run, if it was not like this, I would take my sell over there. Market structure shift, fair value gap, immediate reaction. I would take my sell over there, and I would target at least this 50% of the opening gap. So something like this. Here, my stop loss would be here, and my target would be there. Because market has given me very nice market structure shift over there, fair value gap immediate reaction, that could be my target if it was a normal day. But look over here, the price action. I'm just not interested to push my button over there. The way I didn't push my button over there. Can I do it? Absolutely, I can do it. You can do it. But if you do that, that means you are building an habit inside of you to chase the price. It will help you to blow your account. Trust me or not, ask yourself, why did you blow your account? If you are wrong over here just for one time, you will blow your account. So that's why I'm just not interested to take that entry as well. I'm waiting to build an story. What is the story? See this 50% of the opening gap from 50 minutes at here. This is the opening gap 50%. Can it hold the price, send it back for the buy side liquidity? This is the buy side liquidity. Why single high? Because this is all time high. Or it should keep going lower. It is keep going lower until this new day opening gap. I need to see that first. I have to be confirmed first. All of this price action is not normal. It's a weird price action. Just look. It was extremely bullish. I am not going to believe any of this fair value gap from there. Nothing. Instead of that, I am going to believe this opening gap 50%. Is that a reversal point? Absolutely, a very strong reversal point. Can market reverse from there? If it can reverse, okay, then I will wait for a 50-minute bullish fair value gap. If it failed to reverse from there, keep going lower, I will wait until reach here to this new day opening gap. I will wait for a consolidation. Then I will take my decision when I will see something very good. What do I mean by something very good? You will understand that, okay? Like the way you have understand the last day, yesterday's PM session, the buy setup. Remember? I don't need to mark the setup. You will be able to mark the setup without me. But I will just tell you now is the time to look for a setup. You will do that by yourself. Trust me, man. You don't need my help to figure out. But what you should do here, you should learn how to wait for what you are waiting. Was that profitable trade? Absolutely. Is that a profitable trade? Absolutely. But it's a bad habit. Don't build this habit inside of you. This is the news time. 9:45 there was a news time. 10 is the news time. Don't build that habit inside of you. That's my request. It's up to you. You wanna follow it or not? It's up to you. I'm just not interested to force you. Got to go. Dinner time. See you in PM. See you, Peter. If you are thinking that, oh man, I missed all of this run, you are not ready to trade. Practice more with your paper money. Make sure that you are not frustrated by missing all of this run. Make sure that, okay? That's the first lesson of trading. You can't be frustrated after seeing this move. You can't be frustrated. Instead of that, you have to be happy because you are patient enough to to be the witness of all of this run. So you have to practice that yourself, guys. Whoever new here in my I mean, some of you are maybe new to my channel. Maybe this is the first time in my channel, brother. I am not here to give you the signal. So I'm not going to give you the signal. I'm not going to teach you how to read the price because I believe that most of you know better than me how to read the price. All I'm trying to teach over here is that how to wait for the perfect setup and when you should enter into the market. That's the part I'm trying to teach you over here. How to determine the bias, when you should look for sell, when you should look for buy, how you will find out this is a good price action, and how you will just avoid the price action. Even if it's a nice run, you will avoid that one. That's all I'm trying to give you here, okay? So this is for the people who are new here. So some of you maybe think that this guy is going to give a signal. No, I'm not going to do that. So if you can leave my stream without wasting your time. Thank you for understanding. So from the beginning, as I told you, after a big move, market is falling. Look at this run from 15 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 15-minute candle is just falling. Are you interested to chase that run? Maybe it will fall until this new day opening gap. So this is the new day opening gap. Let me mark it. This is the new day opening gap. Maybe it will fall until this new day opening gap. I don't care. I will just let it go. But I have this line, right? Then below this new day opening gap, I have this sell side liquidity. I would love to make sure first, does it really would love to go lower, or it wants to go higher? Can it go higher? Absolutely, it can go higher from this new day opening gap. It can easily go higher from this new day opening gap. So yeah, please. My experience is to take perfect risk of 1% to 1.5%, wait for perfect trade and take the quality trade. This will decrease your trading frequency, as taking 1 to 1.5 risks you gives you good reward. I agree with you. It's not bad. Brahim Banano, bro, I'm good gambler. Trust me. I'm also a good gambler, brother. Do you wanna gamble? Let's gamble, brother. I love gambling. Ah man, but I lose more when I do gamble. If it's a day for me, in profit. If it's not my day, I will blow my account. That's the way gambling works. So below here, I have this new day opening gap. I will see how this new day opening gap react. So the 50% of the opening gap has broken already. We are in the 950 macro, but remember we have a news around 10. So yeah, let's say just look at this fall from yesterday 6 p.m. to until 8:30 a.m. today's morning. 6 p.m. to 8:30 a.m. morning. Price took how many times to reach over there? And price take how many times to fall? Can you see it? Just falling. It's really so easy to tell that, oh man, what a fall. After effect. It's not easy to trade, man. You will understand that if you are trading so long Nasdaq, then you will understand that. So first wait for a better story. When you will get the story, you will jump into the market. If you don't get the story, don't jump into the market. What happened to DXY? DXY is bull, so bull. Okay, so it has taken this sell side liquidity. After taking this sell side liquidity, boom, that's cool. What a run. I love it. I was thinking that market will take this sell side liquidity, but yeah, still I will see if it wants to go higher or not. It's extremely bullish to me right now. If it reach until this sell side liquidity, see this sell side liquidity until that sell side liquidity, like this way, I will do nothing. Absolutely, I will do nothing. So your congratulations. Sorry, you are welcome to leave me, brother, if you want. I will do nothing. All I need a consolidation first. Without consolidation, I'm not gonna build my story. I need a consolidation first. After seeing the consolidation, I will decide how I'm going to jump into the market. At least not before 10 a.m. because we have a news around 10 a.m. after 5 minutes. So I will obviously wait for 10 a.m. news. Then I will see the price action. But before 10 a.m. no entry for me. Okay. No, hello, bro. I want to correct yourself. I guess you are not with me from the beginning, because if you are with me at the beginning, you all already know that what I how I started my stream. So after completing the stream, watch the first part. I told that if you ever see overnight big run, and that's the rules number 109, sorry, 1999. That's the rule number 1999. Okay, if you ever see overnight big run, avoid the morning session, because the morning session is the manipulation. Wait for the PM session. Believe the PM session is going to give you the perfect setup. If you are not uh, able to wait, I mean avoid the morning session, still try to avoid the first half an hour, so 9:30 to 10. Try to avoid that half an hour, then try to wait for some good setup and jump for the trade. But the best option is, whenever you will see overnight big run, avoid the morning session, wait for the PM session. So ICT didn't tell that avoid the day. Instead of that, he told avoid the morning session. So you have to avoid the morning session. You have to wait for the PM session. Okay. You can say yesterday at around 9:30 on, I pushed my button. Today I saw this setup, that setup. No, here I didn't see anything, but these two setup I saw perfectly. For this setup, I had very clean sell side liquidity. For this setup, I had this 50% of the opening gap. I just didn't do anything over here because I'm following the rules. If you are not following the rules, you are a short-term trader, and the short-term trader will be vanished from this market. Write it down to the empty pages. You will be vanished very soon from this market. If you have lot of money, then maybe you will keep losing, keep losing, keep losing until you will start to follow the rules. So all I am doing here is to following the rules. That's all I'm doing here. Okay, there's nothing I'm doing except following the rules. It's up to you. Do you want to follow the rules? If you are interested to do that, congratulations, brother. You are at the winning club. If you don't want to follow the rules, congratulations, brother. You are going to lose your job as a trader very soon. Okay, got that. Thank you. Hello, bro. By the way, guys, there is two link uh, provided by Stream Elements. First one is the membership link. If anyone wants to take the membership, you're welcome. And the second one is the Twitter link. So if anyone wants to join me through my Twitter, welcome. Hey, Music Life. How are you, brother? It's been a long. I didn't see you. You just come and take the membership. How are you, man? And all the comment box is now yours. Give me some penguin at first. I love to get some penguin from you, brother. And really, thanks for that membership. Thank you, brother. So, news within 12 minutes. Hey, Tito, hey, everyone. Hey, music. Give me the penguin first, brother. I need the penguin from you, as you just took the comment box by your green membership. Don't you see, Christian? I waited all week for this day for the news volatility. I'm so pissed off. Why you are so pissed off, man? Wait, just market has opened. It's not even 30 minutes, okay? So just wait. So this is the news scandal. Let's see if we can have something or not. Look at gold. Haha. They prepared one London session sell site for now. Yes, 777. Thanks for that advice, brother. I will keep that in my mind. You are absolutely right. London is little. I mean, gold is little different. So I can't just guarantee that market is going to take that sell liquid or that buy sell liquid. I don't need this line anymore. So I'm gonna remove it. Today opening gap you marked 50%. It traded. Yeah, market is below the 50%. Right now, market is inside the new day opening gap. It it reached until the 50% of the new day opening gap. So I would love to see if it has any intention to go higher now. I'll just let it go. I'll just let it go, okay? I am not interested to push my button right now. Instead of that, I will wait because it's extreme fall, and after this extreme fall, I should not be hurry. And the news was not so volatile, so let's see how far it can reach. But from here, it's look like a better sell setup instead of the buying setup. From the 15-second chart, it's look like a nice sell setup. I just don't want to take sell, uh, and buying is extremely difficult for me around that area, so I'm not gonna take the buy as well. Instead of that, I will just let everything go, and I will wait for the consolidation better. I will wait for that. Then we will see. Music life is with me from my beginning, okay? Almost from my beginning. Music life is with me for from very beginning, okay? Nice breaker block for me over here. This is a very nice breaker block from 15-second chart. I'm just not interested to take entry right now, otherwise I would push my button over here to that breaker block from 15-second chart. A perfect breaker block in my opinion. And here is my target. Here would be my target. Okay, see this, have a look up over there. This would be my target. I'm not gonna push my button to be honest. This is the setup. But I'm not interested to push the button. Better I will wait, because really I need some more confirmation, so that's why I will wait. First I need to see how this market really would love to go. I need more confirmation that market really would love to go higher. So after getting that more confirmation, I will go for that trade. Okay, it hit my stop loss. This breaker block didn't work. So that was a nice decision. Let's wait little more and build first. I would love to give some setup first. Let go. Okay. I mean, first one or two setup, I will just let it go. Then I will be in the market. I will push my button. First, let it make sure that the mohawk how far it can reach. No, 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 no. Dum, 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 dum. There you go. That was a perfect breaker block in my opinion. The Mohawk was little far. I was really curious how far the Mohawk can go. But yeah, it was a good setup and a nice boom. I love to see the boom from you guys. I mean, please write it down for me. The boom. I want that word. Please, guys. It was a nice setup. Not bad. I never looked it. I never took it. Okay. Good call, brother. Thank you, Manu. I took it. Okay. My request is please don't follow my trade. Over here, this breaker block was my first intention to take the entry. So this breaker block was the first thing, okay? At the same time, I saw this market structure shift over here. See, here is the market structure shift. This is the first fair value gap or the entry fair value gap. This is the breakaway gap around that area. This is the breakaway gap. That was the water block. Didn't trade the water block, and I don't need that as well. This is the last fair value gap. Actually, I need to mark the last fair value gap from 30-second chart. Let me check if I have on. Okay, I don't have any third. I mean over there, so I could go until that rejection block over here, but it's okay. I'm just okay. Okay, I believe that market will keep going higher. Now from 1 minute chart, here is the setup. This fair value gap should be the entry fair value gap. This is from 1 minute chart. Okay, here this is cover here. Now not a good setup. I mean good risk to reward, but still this is a possible trade. Here from 1 minute chart, this is the market structure shift and that area. This is the first fair value gap or the entry fair value gap. This is the last fair value gap or the breakaway gap. All you have to do is you have to cover the last fair value gap. Okay, and let me remove it from my chart. I am going to put this thing over here. 43 handle is not bad, to be honest, trust me, but here the problem is 25 handle. I am not able to take that risk, 25 handle risk. So in that type of situation, what I will do, I will just put my stop loss over here below this first fair value gap. I'm going to believe that this first fair value gap is not going to be broken. If it is going to be, I mean if it is broken, I'll take that loss. Okay, I will free easily take that loss. Simply I will take that loss, but I would love to see market is not going to break this one, maybe until this area. Okay, here it should reach from there to there to that last fair value gap above this relatively equal highs. This is the setup from 1 minute chart. Look how beautiful the setup is. Market came here to the new day opening gap, constant crossment, a nice market structure shift, a very perfect market structure shift, fair value gap, breakaway gap, boom, immediate reaction, boom. Is it going to work? I don't know, but it should work. So you can take a partial around there. You can see 22 handle. Okay, it's not bad, not bad, trust me. Above that high you can take a partial. But if it hit my stop loss, I'll be happy with that, with a small stop loss. I mean 79 is okay. Here the rules is you have to cover this breakaway gap. Okay, the way I covered the breakaway gap, remember over there I covered this breakaway gap and that area. But here, if I cover the breakaway gap, it's near about 26 handle. I am unable to do that, so I will better put my stop loss over there. And I'm going to believe that market is not going to break the entry fair value gap. It is reversing from that entry fair value. That should be my expectation. So from there to there, you should have taken some partial around that area. You should have, okay. If you have just one contract, close your trade. Just close your trade over there. You don't need to hold it until that last fair value gap. Dang, 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 dang. See over there. After that, put your stop loss over there. Just 700 stop loss. After the partial, just put your stop loss over there. Wasn't it so clean? Can you see it? Wasn't it so clean? Very nice market structure shift, displacement, first fair value gap or the entry fair value gap, boom, until that area. Again, you just don't need that 43 handle. Trust me, brother. You just don't need that. If you have one handle, close your trade over there. If you don't have, if you have more than one handle, take a partial, get stopped out over there. No problem. Finish. You're done. Just 20 handle is not bad, okay? 21 handle or 20 handle is not bad. Huge, it's huge. Trust me or not, it's huge. I saw the same till okay. Hey, hello, bro. Thanks for that boom. By the way, thank you so much for writing that boom. Buro, Miguel, Jack, I miss you, Owen, Cizo. What the fuck? Christian, what happened, brother? Madok, Manu. Manu, you took that. That's cool, man. My opinion is market should reach until that fair value gap. Until here. This is the last fair value gap. If you look over there, the 30-second chart, it has taken that high, okay? So when I took that entry, I could target that high. It's extremely important. This high is extremely important. I could target that high. This is the fun of volatility. If you have the volatility, a very small move will give you 20 handle, 30 handle. Remember yesterday from here to here, just 22 handle. Market came here from there, okay? Let me show you. From here to here, it was just near about 20 handle, 22 handle. But today, here to here, 20 handle. This is the fun of volatility. My life changed on this 50% scalp. Yeah, man, it's true, man. You have to just take the partial 50%. Oh man, it's awesome. 50% is always awesome. Tito, when we can frame next trade? Every single time, man. Every single time you can frame the next next trade. Well, you have to understand what market is doing over here. In my opinion, until this last parabolic gap, market should be bullish. Okay, so I will frame another buy setup. I will try to frame another buy setup. So if I can make another buy setup, I will go for another buy. Otherwise, I will see if it keep falling. I'm not interested to participate in this market because this is a huge fall. So I'm not interested to participate in this market if it keep falling. Rejection from there came until here. It should go little higher until that area. I will see how it react. Okay, I'm going to clean all of this thing. All of this area. I need to clean that. Well, it is rejecting from 15-minute fair value gap. Well, I'm wrong, sorry. I can frame a sell setup now. I'm sorry. I don't need to reach until that area. I'm reversing from a 15-minute entry fair value gap. I'm not entry fair value gap, 15-minute fair value gap actually. So I can frame a sell setup. If I get any kind of lower market structure shift, absolutely I can frame a sell setup until the low of the new day opening gap. If I get something like this, I can frame a sell setup. Guys, near about 200 people are watching. Can you give me 3 more likes? Then it will be 100 likes. Okay. More than 200 people are watching. Please give me the likes. Remember this breakaway gap, it's extremely important. Okay, so over here this last fair value gap can be used as a sell setup as well. This last fair value gap can be used as a sell setup. How? When the market will close below this one, okay, below this fair value gap, you can take a sell from there, just cover this high, target this low around that area. You can do this type of scalp for that by using this last fair value gap or the breakaway gap. It is also valid, but here the problem is it's low probability. Okay, it's not high probable trade, but still it is a way to trade. If you have more than one contract, you can target the low. If you have just one contract, target the obvious liquidity, this relatively equal lows. But remember, this is low probability. Okay, in that type of situation I will put my stop loss over there, 11 handle. So I will take 11 handle stop loss for 30 handle. If it works, I will get 30 handle. If it doesn't work, I will lose 11 handle. It's a low probability either way. Why I'm framing this trade? Because market is rejecting from 15-minute fair value gap, went through this breakaway gap, should keep falling. Just it should keep falling. That's my belief. Previously I thought that market will reach until this 1 minute last fair value gap, but as it has this 15-minute bearish fair value gap, it doesn't need to reach until that area, so it can fall from there. In this type of situation, what actually happen, you will take a small loss for a bigger profit. So for example, if you have the ability to take two contract, then you can target this 52 handle, you can target this 52 handle. Okay, but you have to take a partial around that area. If you are wrong, you will take a small loss, that's all. So this is why this entry is more potential. It's much more potential. And I put my stop, I just covered this fair value gap. Okay, over here let me mark this fair value gap. I just covered this fair value gap and that area. But keep that in your mind, you have to take the partial here. You have no other option, you have to take the partial around that area. If it give you the opportunity to take the partial, you have to take the partial over there. If you get stopped out before that, be happy, because you take a small loss for the bigger profit. Is that gambling? Absolutely not. Still, this is the price action. Why you are framing that trade? Because this 15-minute fair value gap, bearish fair value gap, hold your price, send it below the breakaway gap of the 1 minute frame setup. So you are believing that market is going to fall again, and it is going through this new day opening gap, constant encroachment. You are believing like that way. So this is a valid setup in my opinion. While you are doing, just taking a small risk for a bigger profit. Remember, this is the game of probability, so everything is probable over here. As I told you, when you will see this candle will close below this fair value gap, below this fair value gap, then if it makes another fair value gap, you are not expecting that price will trade this fair value gap. Instead of that, you have to take entry to that new fair value gap if it can close below this fair value gap and make another bearish fair value gap. Thank you guys for giving me the like, and yeah, thank you so much. I want to see a body close below this line. Need a speed, and that speed should go below this line and close below that line. See, here is a small fair value gap over here around that area from 30-second chart. Yeah, market can reach until that fair value gap. That is why it's risky. Though I covered this fair value gap from 30-second chart as well, from 1 minute chart and also 30-second chart, I covered this one, but price can reach until this fair value gap. It's also possible because over here I have the order block. But still I am going to believe that market is not going over here because I can't take more risk over here. Instead of that, I will just let it go. If it doesn't work, I'll be stopped out with a very small stop loss. So it's just like that. If you don't want to take this type of entry, no problem. You should wait for a better market structure shift. Wait for that market structure shift the way I took the buy setup. Wait for that market structure shift, fair value gap, immediate reaction, boom. Here, market structure shift, fair value gap, immediate reaction, boom. Now it didn't reach until that last fair value gap, but it has given you the opportunity to take the partial. Now it didn't work, it is going higher. Let's see how far it can reach. So over here is very small little fair value gap, it can reach until that area. This is called the reaction from the new day opening gap high. The reaction sent the price until the last fair value gap. Thanks for the penguin music life. If it is broken out, I mean, if this fair value gap is broken, I'm not interested to frame any other trade because it is the clear I mean sign of consolidation. Market can be consolidated, so I will wait. I have nothing to do. Market didn't went higher, market didn't went lower, so it is consolidating. I'm just done for that. If it has broken this last fair value gap from 30-second chart. The real manipulation has already started. This is called the manipulation. Don't just get in part of this consolidation. Let it go. Guys, there are so many traders who are really genius who actually tell me after after the trade you got profit. Tell me where market is going now. Just tell me where market is going now. Do it beforehand, okay? I would love to go with your direction. So let me know where market is going. By the way, did I get any subscriber today? 5807 to 5811. So I got first subscriber. Thank you guys. Whoever subscribed to my channel, welcome to my channel. Okay. Thanks for subscribing. Da, 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 da. Don't know as there is no strong liquidity. Okay, okay. I say up or down. Up or down. Yeah, you're right. Either it will go up or you will go down. Nvidia rising, so Nasdaq should go up as well. Oh, okay, it is going up in your opinion. Target profit to 50-minute travel gap and sell from there. Okay, I guess you are talking about this one. Let's see. I don't want to go to second chart because if I go to second chart, I will keep taking entry. I will keep watching the entry from there. Need boner candle now. What is boner candle? Today Nvidia is more important than DXY. Okay. Anything else? Any more suggestion, guys? I bought at 10-3 candle. Okay. Just buy. It tested inversion fair value gap. Okay. Anything else? Lot of opinion. Well, what does boner mean? I really don't know what does boner mean. If you ask me what is my expectation, I'm still bearish. Okay. I'm expecting that market will go lower, but after consolidation. So market is just consolidating right now. I don't know about Nvidia. I don't know about anything else, but I'm bearish. Even if Nvidia is going higher, I will tell Nvidia to fall. Okay, it should not go high. It should fall. I will ask Nvidia to fall. Yeah, absolutely. I will ask Nvidia to fall. But we will see. That is my expectation. Market doesn't give me a shit. Whatever my expectation is, market doesn't give me a shit. Okay, it will go with its speed. I will change my bias. I will go for buy as well if I see any kind of situation. Price soon will start flying up. Okay, and tomorrow becomes TGIF. I have a wild feeling that we take today's high. Oh man, been a, it's been a good run, man. Hi brother. Hey Ravi, welcome back, brother. Lots of the stars Nvidia will tell you to shut up. Lol. Oh man, Nvidia will tell me shut up. Okay, I'll be shut up then. Takes a third rejection from 15 minutes CB. It will keep going lower. If it keep going lower, then Nasdaq can keep going higher. No problem with that. After the consolidation, I am bearish until the low of this new day opening gap. So until this line 18816.25, I'm bearish. I don't know what will happen after that, but until the low I'm bearish. Here all I can see is this parallel gap actually, which is extremely important. At the same time, high, low, higher high, the breaker block. The lowest down close body close candle is my breaker block. So any of this level can be triggered before falling. Either this parallel gap or that parallel gap or the breaker block. Remember I took the buy over here by the breaker block from 15-second chart. I feel something very confident like that. Now over here, I can't say this is a perfect breaker block, bearish breaker block. I just can't say that, but still there is a breaker block. Okay, depending on that general rules of ICT, here is a breaker block, but it's not so confidential breaker block for me. So far, I'm expecting the consolidation because market has failed to close below that 30-second parallel gap. That was obvious. Okay, so market failed to close below that one. I'm expecting the consolidation right now. Then I will see when I will get a better price action again. I'll jump into the market again. There are two breakers in 1 hours. ICT said to expect range bound when price trades between breakers. Okay, so for market structure is making another MSS. No, it's not making another MSS. It's just trying to build some liquidity. It's the consolidation. After the run, see this run. After the run, this is the consolidation. That is the place where you will start to look for your setup. So your story is now building up. Your story is now building up. Until price is below this parallel gap, you should look for sell. When market will be above this breaker, I'm sorry, above this parallel gap, you will start to look for buy until that parallel gap. Simple. I'm bearish too, but before that, I'm waiting for 1 hour candle close. If it close below bearish breaker, I will expect large bearish move. Okay, 5-minute chart. I don't go to 5-minute chart, brother. Okay, I don't go to for a 5-minute chart. If nothing is clear from 15-minute chart or hourly chart in that type of situation, no, I don't go. If only if I have a very huge parallel gap in that type of situation, I go 5-minute chart. Huge parallel gap from 15-minute chart, then only then I will go to 5-minute chart. Otherwise I will never switch my chart 5-minute chart. This side liquidity is crying. Okay, it's crying to just it's crying, and it's telling that please take me, take me, take me, take me. It's just crying, trust me, just crying. Well, this is a breaker block, nice breaker block, but market didn't reach until the breaker block yet. It's a nice breaker block. Just wait for this consolidation happen, I mean finish, then we will decide how it will work today. Okay, keep that in your mind. This parallel gap is extremely important. Okay, it can just reverse the price for the sell side liquidity. This is that sell side liquidity. I'm just bearish until this sell side liquidity. I wasn't bearish, now I'm bearish because the rejection of the constant crossment of the new day opening gap. This is the reaction. This reaction is sending price until a certain level. It can be this bearish fair value gap, it can be the breaker block, it can be this fair value gap. Any of this area can be the level for the reaction. After that, market is going to fall at least until the new day opening gap low. Keep that in your mind. This is how it works. The new day opening gap, this is how it works. Write it down, brother. And later, just match it. Now, if Nvidia is going to tell me shut up, then maybe I will be wrong. Otherwise, if Nvidia doesn't play some kind of role, I don't know actually how this guy play the role instead of dollar index. But yeah, if Nvidia doesn't shut me up, you will see market has traded this new day opening gap. I'm sorry, this is not gold market, but this is my market, and Nasdaq is my market. I'm the wizard of this market. So I can be wrong in gold, and I'm absolutely okay with that. I don't want to be wrong in Nasdaq. That's for sure. Guys, push the like button before leaving the stream. Keep pushing the like button, okay? So far, still holding the 15-minute fair value gap. Yeah, I can see it. That sell side you keep showing is a clean six seater in NQ. So NQ should reach premium and fall from there. NQ is already in the premium. It is falling from the premium. This is the highest premium. There is nothing called the premium compare with this. Okay. Da 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 da. Oh man, I don't think so. It's going to give me any opportunity to take the sell. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. Da 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 da. I want to see that market will close below this two fair value gap. That's all I want to see right now. If it doesn't work, I will say a perfect setup just didn't work. I just covered the breakaway gap. I should cover the constant encroachment, but as the breakaway gap is too small, so I have just covered the breakaway gap. The whole breakaway gap I have just covered. Okay. I need speed. I need speed. More speed. More speed. More speed. More speed. Again, it's not an invitation to take entry, so I'm not here selling the setup or signal. I'm just trying to prove my point why it is valid, and I am able to take that risk, and I'm going to believe my analysis. Why I'm going to believe my analysis? I've already explained why I was looking for sell. Okay. Well, I will put my stop loss to the break even now because it has already uh, passed too far. Okay, so I will put my stop loss to the break even. Even if I get stopped out right now, I'll be happy to be stopped out to the break even, because for some of the pro trader, this is their trade. Okay, from there to there, it's near about, just let me mark it, 27 handle. Okay, it's more than enough for them. I would love to go until that area. That's why I put my stop loss to the break even. I'm out of risk now. Even if I get stopped out over here, I'm happy with that. I believe that for some of you, it's more than enough. I believe that. Okay. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. I can just close my trade below this one, and I could write down boom. I don't want to do that. I just want to do that. Da, 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 da. Tell me the name of the wizard of this market. I want to know the name of the wizard of this market. Please tell me the name. Da, 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 da. Guys, can you please write down boom? If you don't write down boom, then I'm gonna close my trade. So far, it's the profit. It was near about 1289. I know it's not a good, but yeah. Nobody write down boom, so I'm gonna close my trade. Sorry, I'm gonna close my stream for today. Nobody write it down. Nobody write it down. I don't I don't believe you. And I told that Nvidia told me shut up. I told Nvidia you shut up. I'm the wizard of this market, so you can't just tell me shut up of my market. If it was gold, yeah, I could be shut up. But this is my market, and I'm always right over here. Thanks, guys. I asked for that boom only, okay? And I believe that it was nice trade. Market has taken that buy side liquidity, a perfect market structure shift, two fair value gap, one, two fair value gap, price trade to the entry fair value gap. I covered this one. This relatively equal lows is my target. I believe that market is coming over here. That doesn't mean I need to hold my trade until this area. I don't need to hold it until here. It's 46 handle, maybe little up and down. Okay, I mean if I just think 40 handle something like that. I'm happy with that. I don't need to hold my trade until this new opening gap. I don't need it. I'm happy with this small run. Simple. Thank you guys. Now I'm getting boom. Why you are so late, man? Golden John, you are K2 of this market. Okay. Okay. Ravi Parmar, T2 is equal precision. That's perfect. Okay. Thank you, brother. So that was the first entry, and there was another entry around that area. I'm just randomly marking it, okay? Randomly. Just put it over there. Randomly marking it. Buy, sell. I can do it. But really I don't want to go to second chart, because if I go over there I will see a lot of trade. Trust me. T2, badass market maker. Okay. Compliment. Somebody is confident and talking trash today. Okay, I'm confident and talking trash today. Yeah, man, I'm just talking trash today. I'm sorry. I need to hey Winston, look. What is the ticker he has on the chart? What do you mean by that? No one is master of this market. I'm the master of this market. I'm the boss of this market. I'm the winner. I mean, sorry, I'm the maker of this market. I'm the wizard of this market. What do you want to listen on more, brother? I am the maker of this market. I am always right of this market. If I get a loss, I will say market is wrong. I'm always right. Market is wrong. Okay. It's all depend on you. If you think you are driving by the market, you will keep losing. But if you think that no, I'm not driving by the market, instead of that, I'm just the market maker, you will be always the winner. That's the thing, man. It stream is delayed by 42 seconds for me. Don't know why. Today it's happening. It should not be like that way. I don't know, brother. 1050 macro is magical, man. 1050 macro is magical. I didn't take entry around 1050. I closed my trade around 1050. Okay, my entry was around 1045. I closed my trade around 1050. As I told you, this new day opening up low. Keep that in your mind. Until this, I'm bearish. Remember, not hindsight. It's not hindsight. This is how this new day opening gap work. So my boom will come if it can tap to this new day opening gap. Okay? Talk your shit, man. Shit, man. Oh man, that is shit. Oh, it didn't touch the new day opening gap, so you can tell me that I'm wrong. Absolutely, you can tell that. But I will say this is my boom. Now here, I proved my point. As I told you, market will reach until this new day opening gap low. At least. I don't care about anything. I don't give a shit to anything. This is how this market works. rejection from the new day opening gap constant encroachment, that means the low is going to be taken. That's for sure. Now if you ask me, I don't know, okay, what is going to happen. I don't know. I just don't know. 32, I need more 5 entries like this so I get another funded account. This week was a shit for me trading from. I'm sorry for that, Miguel Jr. uh, let's see if I can get another setup or not. But if you ask me right now, I don't have any expectation. Okay, now I am out of my expectation. I need more price action now to understand where market would love to go, because this is the level where market can reach for the buy side liquidity now, or it can start to retest the fair value gap, any of this fair value gap or the order block. It can work with this new day opening gap for longer now. So I need more price action now, then I will be able to frame another trade. Otherwise I have to just wait. Okay, without waiting I don't have anything to do. Lot of boom I'm just getting now. Thank you. By the way, whoever take the buy, trust me, if you close your trade over there, you are also profitable, right? I mean, I saw someone was taking buy around that area. They were taking buy. It's not bad, okay? I was looking for sell. You are looking for buy. It's perfectly okay. But you have to take at least the partial above that high. You have to understand the fact over there. If you understand the fact over there, you maybe you will took some partial around that area, or you will close your trade, so you will be profitable as well. Both of us are the profitable trader. Did it reach over here, guys? Absolutely. Do I need to hold my trade until that area for 74 handle? Absolutely not. Yeah, I could put my target profit until the constant encroachment. I could do that, but when I have seen this relatively equal lows around that area, I just closed my trade over there. Still, it's near about 40 handle. Perfect for me. Okay, I passed 1050k yesterday but forgot to close my stop loss. Come back or to all failed access as it activated me short once I left screen. Oh man, I'm sorry for that. Mamba, just need 4% more to pass my account. Hey Netcan, I hope that you will pass your account, brother. Is this your only live stream or do you have Discord? I have the Discord, but live stream is only over here. Teaching, price action, everything is over here. Okay, should be done for today. Yeah, bro, that's the call. Okay, you should be done for today. If any of you are already profitable, don't push your button again. Instead of that, just just close your chart. Give me a sheet, close your chart. Tell me, Titu brother, I give you a sheet. I don't want to see your price action. I'm down for that. I'm gonna close my chart. I would love to see that. Okay, so to entry yesterday and today, what do you think, guys? How's that? What a nice setup over there until the last pair. Look at the buy setup over here until that last pair. Sorry, until the high. Sell over there until this relatively equal loss. Oh, perfect. Let's look 15-second chart. This one I took, right? Yeah, I took that entry. Sell setup, no buy setup, no buy setup, no buy setup, no sell setup. Here, a perfect buy setup. A perfect buy setup over here. Don't believe me? Let's see. I trailed the stop until 18816. Oh, okay. So you closed your trade around the new day opening gap low. Perfect, brother. Perfect. You are the boss. Okay. T to the market wizard with sexy accent. Thank you, FX. I have sexy accent. Oh man. Is there anything wrong with my stream today? Okay, guys. I guess there is a problem of the speed. Internet speed. I can see it's fluctuating. I guess it's fluctuating. Okay. Yeah, the reason is market is no, bro. You all good. You are cutting off a bit. Yeah, the reason is the internet speed. Okay, I mean you can see over here. Can you see it or not? Over there, it should be more than 6,000. Okay, sometimes it's just 0 kilobyte per second. So I'm not I'm just a bit confused why it is happening. So I guess it's no, it's working fine. Just every now and again it freezes for a couple of seconds. Yes, something is wrong. Okay, but either way, I want to close my stream for today. So far it was, if it was a good stream, don't forget to give me a like. Don't forget to leave me a like if you think this is a good, this was, I guess it's an internet issue. Okay.